When it comes to choosing software for your business, there are a lot of options, but Thryv stands out. If you're considering Thryv, there are 7 important things you need to know before buying. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Thryv is the right choice for you and how it compares to other popular tools in the market. Let's dive into the first thing you should know: ease of use. One of Thryv's key selling points is its user-friendly interface. It's designed with small business owners in mind, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you won't struggle to navigate the platform. Compared to others like Zoho or HubSpot, Thryv's dashboard is cleaner and more straightforward, making it ideal for those who want powerful features without getting lost in complexity. And the best part? You can try it out completely free using the link below. Next thing you need to know: all-in-one solution. Thryv offers a complete package. Unlike tools like MailChimp, which focuses primarily on email marketing, or Salesforce, which is great for larger businesses but can be overwhelming for small ones, Thryv integrates everything from CRM, scheduling, invoicing, payments, and marketing automation, all in one platform. You won't need to juggle multiple subscriptions. This makes it a perfect solution for small businesses or service providers looking for simplicity. The third thing to know is customer support. Thryv prides itself on customer service, offering 24/7 support through multiple channels. This is a huge advantage over competitors like Freshworks or Pipedrive, where support hours can be limited or more complicated to reach. With Thryv, you get personalized assistance whenever you need it. So if you're running into issues, help is just a click away. Moving on to the fourth thing: mobile app functionality. Thryv's mobile app is robust and does an excellent job of allowing users to manage their businesses on the go. This is something Thryv does better than tools like QuickBooks, where the mobile experience can sometimes feel limited. Whether you're managing customer appointments or responding to inquiries, Thryv's mobile app keeps you connected to your business no matter where you are. The fifth thing to consider is automation features. Thryv automates key business processes like appointment scheduling, follow-ups, and reminders. This sets it apart from others like Monday.com, which, while excellent for project management, lacks a deep automation for customer interactions. With Thryv, you can set up workflows that save you time and reduce human error, improving efficiency in your day-to-day operations. The sixth thing you need to know is pricing structure. While Thryv is often considered on the higher end of the pricing scale compared to other tools, it does offer a competitive edge in terms of the value it provides. Unlike platforms like ActiveCampaign, which charge extra for advanced features, Thryv includes most of its essential features in its core packages. And if you're unsure, you can start with their free trial, which lets you explore everything without any commitment. Lastly, integrations. Thryv integrates seamlessly with other popular software like Google Workspace, QuickBooks, and social media platforms, giving you flexibility in managing your business ecosystem. While some other competitors like Zoho may offer more extensive integration options, Thryv strikes a balance by integrating with the most essential tools for small businesses. If all of this sounds good and you want to give Thryv a try, don't forget to click the first link in the description to access the best free trial offer, along with some exclusive benefits that will help you get started on the right foot.